putting off a surprising amount of light. Look at that. That's actually pretty good. A lot of them have a crappy lens. It's not very designed well. Come on, zoom in, stupid piece of crap. Yeah, that ain't bad. Puts off a fair amount of light. Let's keep walking here. Heading up to that. Starting to see the light now. It's kind of a salmon looking color. The light itself. Yeah, the LED is a bit brighter. Nice lens it has. It puts off a lot of light. Still see it all the way from over there. It's Mustang. Guess what I saw at the convenience store here, besides $2.69 a gallon gas? Another payphone.